This is the sound of truth. 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 There's an announcement in heaven. This is the sound of truth. This is the sound of truth. Truth has come to stay. This is the sound of truth. Falsehood and lies begun. This is the sound of truth. This is the sound of truth. You hear the sound of truth. The sound of truth. Can you hear the sound of truth? Can you hear the sound of truth? Truth has come to stay. Oh, can you hear the sound of truth? Can you hear the sound of truth? Oh, oh, sound of truth, sound of truth, the sound of truth, the sound of truth. Lela dia manasi ambani anana lianara. Fele dia manasi galune felimara. Elia badiana fola diana ni abona. Yala la diana na siambana. Ezalanda diana ni ambana. Ya ya ya. Ya 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 ya. Ya ya. Feladia mana suladia na 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 ya 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 ya. Egalakia na felia banania na na. Egaladia mana na fodia na 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 na. The sound of truth is here. Otita walewa. Iroti dokyo. Gbọ́ bí àwọn áńgẹ́lì lọ́run bí wọ́n ṣe ń pariwo òtítọ́, òtítọ́ ti dé. Gbọ́ ohùn òtítọ́ o, gbọ́ ohùn òtítọ́ o. sound of truth. Hey, Feledi Amana Siamana na na, Suladi Amana Vela na na na, Otita ti dé o, ó jọba o. Òtítọ́ ti jọba o. The spirit of truth is here and is guiding me to all truth. Yeah. If you believe in truth, rejoice, for this is the day the Lord has made, for truth to come and dominate. And there is a new season in the body of Christ, where darkness will be put to shame. Hey, where Satan will be put to know what, where the devils will be subject to God, as we call upon Him, and Jesus will be old again. Satan fall down from heaven like lightning and thunder, yeah. And we rejoice, for our names is written in the heavens. Oh, to do damage to the kingdom of darkness, and we will rise again, a generation of truth. This is the sound of truth. Diamana, Feliango leke benene, Felimana, Suraliabana, Feliambadiana, Colefere, Kedimana, Neanana, Eshelemerelia, Fediana, Niabana, Nana, Iraladiana. To him that wants healing, receive your healing. To him that wants a breakthrough, receive your breakthrough. To him that is asking God for something, receive whatever you want from the Most High. Ask and you shall receive is what He said. He's ready to bless you with the sound of truth. Jesus has come to stay, and the sound of truth is here. This is the sound of truth. This is the sound of truth. This is the sound of truth.